Hello guys, welcome in this video. Today I will tell you how to install Java Development Kit and how to recognize whether it is installed in your computer or not. So first of all, open your command prompt to check whether it is installed in your laptop or not. Command prompt, here type Java C and then press enter. If you get this type of message, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. You have to install Java Development Kit in your laptop and you have to set up environment variables to run Java on your laptop. Basically, Java Development Kit we will use in further NetBeans installation to run Java applications and other Java editors and so on. Okay, so to install Java Development Kit, first of all we have to download Java Development Kit, and you will download this kit from oracle.com. This link will be given in the description. You can download this Java kit from here, and then select Windows 64-bit installer. Its size is approximately 160 MB, and then click on download. After that, click on I reviewed and accept the Oracle technology, and then click on JSDK. Okay, you can see the downloading has been started as I have downloaded it before. So now I am going to run it for you. Here in my download section, JDK 15.0.1 Windows 64-bit. Click on it and then click on yes. It will take some time to load in memory, and then you can have a dialog box of Java SE Development Kit. Click on next. Here you can change the installation folder, then click on next, and it will started installing in your laptop or PC. It will take some time to completely install in your PC. Okay, now done. Java SE Development Kit has been installed in your PC. Okay, so let's check whether Java C command is recognized by CMG or not. Here CMG Java C. Okay, now you can see the message has been changed now as Java Development Kit has been installed in our PC. Okay, so these are the some of the library directories that can be accessed by command prompt. Okay, so the next step is how to set up environment variables for the Java. So to set up variables, go to your local disk C where you have installed your Java. Okay, in program files you will find a folder here Java. If you set your installation address default, click on Java, and you will find his JDK 15.0.1. that is almost today latest version at the time of that video. Then click on it, and you have to go to bin folder. Okay, and now copy that address. Click on it and then copy. Okay, now we are going to set up environment variables, and right click on your PC and properties, and then go to advanced system settings, and here you will find the option environment variables. Click on it. Okay, user variables for my user, and these are the variables that are defined by user, and here are some of the system variables. Okay, as I have created it before, so I will show you how to create that. You will find here a path option. Click on it and then click on edit. Okay, here I have already added environment variable. I am going to delete it and then click on new. Okay, you don't need to delete it as you have not done it before, as I have already installed environment variables of Java, so that's why I have to delete it. Okay, here click on new. After clicking on new, you have to paste the address that we have copied. Okay, that is C program files Java JDK bin, and then click on OK. It will be automatically added in path. And now we have to add a new variable, that is Java home, as I have already added. So how to add it, I will tell you. I am going to delete this. Delete. Okay, and again go to that folder where you have installed JDK kit. Okay, here Java, and after Java open that folder JDK 15.0.1 and copy that address, and copy, and then go to environment variables. Okay, and here you have to click on new. You have to add Java underscore home. Okay, and now paste the variable value, that is address, and then click on OK, and then click on here OK, and then click on OK. So now the Java environment variables has been installed. So now again open cmd. Here we will type Java C version. Here it is showing you what version that we have installed, that is 15.0.1, and you can also check whether it is integrated in our system or not. That means environment variables has been set up or not. So type Java space version. Okay, now you can see Java version here, Java runtime environment. Okay, and Java hotspot. It means it is integrated in our laptop. So this is our today video for the integration of Java in our system and installation of Java SE.